I let your comments design my game is a very popular format that gets a lot of views. My channel could use some views, but I don't have any viewers to leave comments. So I will use Wikipedia. I'll pick a random word from a random Wikipedia article, and whatever word I get, I have to add it to my game. And keep doing that until those random words somehow turn into an actual game. So this is how it'll go. There's this website called WikiRoulette, which generates a random Wikipedia article when I press the next button. And then I can copy the contents of the web page and put it in this website called Text Tools. Now this will give me a random word from that piece of text. Make sense? Let us begin. And our first article is about Koala. Oh, it's a very short article. It's going to be interesting. And the first word we get is lone. I think this will be pretty simple to create. We just need to make a player which is alone in an endless world. So here we have our lone player in an endless world filled with red cubes. Let's go to our next article now. 2013 USA Indoor Track and Field Championships. Interesting. Oh, it's a long article. Generate. And we get grip. Of all these words, it decided to choose grip. How am I gonna implement grip into this? Climbing. Players can ascend vertical surfaces or obstacles, adding a layer of exploration. Grip mechanics often require players to manipulate objects to solve challenges. I'm thinking something like holding an object, like Half-Life games. Let's make a 3D scene and call it bomb. We can make it a rigid body. And here's our bomb. Now we need to somehow be able to pick it up. So for that, let's add an area 3D to our player in the process function, which is essentially a function that's called every single frame in a video game. If input.is action just pressed and the action is interact, and we can do our bodies equals area 3D dot get overlapping bodies, and then we can do print bodies. Now if we press E, we're getting our player, the CSG combiner, which is our floor, and the bomb. So that's working. So this variable bodies is an array which contains all the bodies this area is overlapping with. So if I do for body in bodies, now we're going to run whatever is below this for loop for each member in the bodies list. So if I do if body is rigid body 3D, then we print body.name. Now we're only getting the bomb, and if I move my cursor away from the bomb, we're getting no prints. But as soon as I go next to the bomb, we're getting the print. Cool. So now what we can do is we can take our camera and add a child to it, and that child can be the body. Hopefully that works. Let's press E. Why isn't it working? Oh, we got some errors. Can't add child bomb to camera 3D. Already has a parent world. So bomb is already a child of world. That's why it cannot change its parent. In my game, I'd like to change a node's parent. Right now I'm using remove child and add child. Yeah, I could do that too. There is reparent. Okay, so that's the function. But I'm not sure if it won't break things for you. Suspicious. Let's see. So we do body.reparent. Now what does it need? It needs a new parent, so we give the camera to it. And hope it works. Yes, it is. Oh, it fell down. Now, if that happens, we do if has bomb dot global transform equals camera dot global transform. Hope that works. Yep, it is working, but I think the camera is, I think the bomb is colliding with the player now. So what if we change the position? Bomb.global position equals camera.global position minus camera.global basis.z into 5. The negative global basis.z is essentially the forward direction of an object. So if we multiply it by 5, it should keep the bomb 5 meters in front of the player. Let's hope. Yep, that works. Cool. There we have our bomb. Okay, now we can grab things. And that is another word done. Let's move to our next article. Walter Verzova. Let's copy and paste here, and now we get rodeo. Oh, we're getting some weird names now. A public competition or exhibition in which skills such as riding broncos or roping calves are displayed. Oh, it's the bull riding game. I get it, but how do I implement it with my grip mechanic? Okay, let's first make our bull. And this is our bull right there. I mean, it looks alright, right? Not too bad. It has its legs and the pointy mouth and all that. And there we go. Now, if we take our bull and place it in the world, it should be coming to us. And why is it so small? There we go. Now it'll always look at the player. And keep following. Cool. Enjoying the video? I hope you're having a good time. If yes, consider subscribing to the channel. It'll help me achieve my goal of monetizing this channel before the end of October this year. And if you're not enjoying, leave a comment to let me know where I could improve. Let's get back to the video. But this isn't fun. Why is a bull always following you around? And this is where our grip comes in. So what we can do is make our bull a lot faster. And here, if player dot has bomb, only then the bull targets the player. So now the bull is just standing, and now the bull is following you. But you drop the bomb, and the bull is just confused. But as soon as I pick up the bomb, there it comes. That is cool. So this is like a protector bull that's trying to stop you from picking up a bomb. Next article, please. St. James Church. Oh, it's very small. I'm not very confident about this now. And the word is huge. And I think we have just the right thing for it. How about that? A huge bull. Okay, that's maybe too big. Let's make it slightly smaller. Yeah, it's still huge. Let's run. Let's run. Where's the bull? Oh. Okay, next article. The Shaka Memorial. We got a bin. Oh, I got an idea. What if you are the good guy and all you want to do is find a bin and put the bomb into that bin? And the bull is the bad guy trying to stop you from doing that. I might be cooking here. I think now it's wide enough. Also, let's give it a nice golden color. There we go. Now we do if body.name equals bomb bull.q free, which will essentially delete the bull from the game. Cool. Now if I quickly place it, and our bull is gone. But to make it more interesting, let's not place the solution to the player's problem right in front of his face. Instead, make it spawn randomly in between these cubes. Now if you play, the bin is here. But if we play again, the bin is right in front of us. But if we play again, the bin is here this time. This time I don't even know where the bin is. Okay, here it is. Whoa, how close was that? Oh, the bull is stuck. Oh. Not. Oh. It's not here. Okay. There we go. Now I think the game is at quite a nice stage. We have the player, we have the objective, and we have the obstacle. This freaky ass bull. So I think it has turned into a nice game. Oh, you're stuck, aren't you? Try come get me now. Oh. I think this is it.